Thanks for staying with us right here on Island Life Live. Now, if you're craving the bold, comforting flavors of Thailand, but don't want to sit through a 17-hour flight to get there, well, lean in.
Yes, we're going to take you to a family-run spot on Waialae Avenue, known for their fresh home-style cooking, made with love. So let me introduce you to Natalie and Trayson from To Thai For.
Spectrum Business keeps businesses of all sizes connected seamlessly with fast, reliable internet, phone, TV, and mobile services.
As soon as I walked into To Thai For here, I felt like I was in Thailand again. Thank you so much, Natalie and Trayson, for inviting us into your beautiful restaurant here.
Yes.
Natalie, if you can, take us to the beginning of when To Thai For started.
We started back in 2009.
Oh, long time, 17 years.
17 years, yes.
Nice.
Because we started because mom and my sister, they didn't have anything to do. Before that, because we got one baby in the family, Jasmine. They both took care of Jasmine, but then when Jasmine started going to school, they both free.
Oh, they had free time. Well, I'm glad they needed something to do, because,
Yes.
especially because this food looks absolutely amazing. Walk us through this, Trayson.
Yeah, so I'll start with the Thai loco moco. That's the pad krapao with the side of rice and the egg. Very iconic dish. Of course, everybody knows about it. I love a crispy egg. It just makes it a super protein-packed meal. It's perfect for everybody.
Yeah.
And then we have the Khao Soi. That's originating in Chiang Mai. That's another dish I feel like you can't really find here in Hawaii that a lot of people look for coming from Thailand, because it's just a staple dish.
So what's in that?
It has a lot of fresh herbs and spices. Definitely coconut milk. And we have the Saimin yellow noodle with chicken and top it with crispy wonton.
Can't wait to try that. Okay, what's next?
Next, we have the hometown curry. That's from their hometown.
From our hometown.
Oh, so this is a specialty in your
Yes,
hometown.
uh-huh.
And what kind of ingredients go into that?
That one has ong choy. It's red curry paste, but the special ingredient is that the tamarind juice. So it makes it sweet and sour.
Oh, okay.
A little bit spicy.
Of course, we're going to wrap things up with a very iconic dish right here, Trayson.
Got the mango sticky rice. I don't think that really needs any introduction. We all know it. We all love it.
We got the mango, and then we got that special cream sauce, yeah?
The sweet coconut milk. And I believe this is this the Thai mango?
Yes, it's a local mango season. So we happen to have a friend that has a farm in Makaha, and he has Thai mangoes.
Oh, no way.
Yes.
Wow, okay, right on. Well, thank you for bringing it out on the table for us today. Now, the last time I was in Thailand, we were staying at the Eastern Grand, they had like these pop-ups right in the front, and they had this guy with like a big round like hot plate, and he was making like a roti.
Yes.
And you guys are introducing this new dessert. I don't know who wants to talk about that.
This is a normally it's just a roti cooking with the butter and then put it with the condensed milk.
Right.
But because it's summer, it's hot.
Oh, yes.
So we have the roti add with vanilla ice cream to cool it down a little bit.
Any kind, I love ice cream, so
Yes.
anything. And the roti, it actually looks very, very appetizing, so I can't wait to try that as well. Oh, wait, we got a drink over there. We got to talk about the drink.
Oh yeah, the signature drink is called Thai Red Ruby.
Oh, what's in that?
It has mango juice, lychee salsa.
Oh, okay.
So it's very tropical.
And you got some alcohol in that too?
A little bit.
Okay, cool. I'll go try them then. Okay, Natalie, Trayson, thank you guys so much for inviting us.
You're
Let's
welcome. Okay.
Dig in.
eat. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. You guys have captured the essence of Thailand. Of course, you're
Yeah, my mom
Thai.
is doing most of the cooking.
Are you serious?
She's 80 next month.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is like family recipe, old school kind
Yes,
cooking. Oh, is this ground pork?
Ground chicken.
Oh, ground chicken. Oh, I love that. That's so good. I'm getting the crunch. What is this? Is it bamboo shoot?
Bamboo shoot, yes.
I'm getting a crunch of that. The spice is kicking in right now. So I'm
Yes,
gonna try the egg to kind of help cool down that spice. Okay, ooh, this is nice and crispy.
Yeah.
And is there what is it? Is a honey on top?
It's a condensed
Oh, the
milk.
condensed milk.
And did you taste it? Something inside too?
Banana.
Yeah. Remind me of banana lumpia.
Yes. Oh my gosh. Who you came up with this?
Yeah.
Genius. She is a genius. I'm gonna
I
dip them
love
again.
banana lumpia, that's why.
I'm sorry, I'm double dip. Anybody eating?
No,
Or just
no,
me?
we good, we
cool.
good.
All for you.
Oh my gosh, this is a tour for me once again back in Bangkok, Thailand. Natalie, everything amazing. Please Tell your mom we said thank you.
Yes,
This
yes,
is
I'll
her
tell
mom
her.
cooking all of this food. Again, Natalie, remind our viewers where you're located and when can they come visit you.
We are on Waialae Avenue between 11 and 12 Avenue, right next to Kimchi 2 and Happy Days.
Okay.
Our operation is 11 to 8 on the weekdays, 11 to 9 on the weekends.
Oh yeah, gotta
And we
extend.
close every Tuesday, everyone.
If people wanna maybe check out you guys' menu, where can they go? Can they go
We
online?
have website is tothai4.com and we do have Instagram hi to Thai4.
Again, come visit Natalie and Tracy here at Thai 4 in Waialae. The food is authentic and just amazing. Kapung
Kapung
kap.
cha.
Thank you so much.
Spectrum Business keeps businesses of all sizes connected seamlessly with fast, reliable internet, phone, TV, and mobile services.
Wow, brother, was it like being in Thailand?
It was,
honestly.
yeah, because it was hot that day and I had to walk around all the parking lot for look for to Thai 4. So that roti with the ice cream, I'm not even exaggerating, sis. It was crunchy. I thought Janice, our videographer, caught the ASMR.
No.
But when I bit into it, still had that crunch, and then the surprise of the banana inside, and then to dip it into the ice cream.
And it was probably just a perfect treat after something so spicy, right?
Oh, yeah, to kind of cool down because the pad kapao was spicy, but oh no.
Everything looks spicy, brother.
Everything was spicy. She prepared it because I told her I like the spice. And then I went to go make tarantaranka and I went to throw the chili, the red
Extra
chili.
spice?
With the patis and yeah. Oh, I almost died. But everything is so good. And you can tell them or request the amount of spiciness.
Oh, so I can go eat there.
Oh,
How
for
do
sure.
I request that?
If you don't like spice.
Yeah.
My pet.
My pet.
My pet. So
My
it's
pet.
like you know Hawaiian say my hele.
Right.
Don't come.
Yeah.
So you put the my in front of pet.
My pet.
My pet.
Then
yeah.
I can go eat at Thai 4.
Yes, for sure. Cup kun cup to Natalie and Tracy, and that was so awesome. But that means I just showing off now.
No, I love it. I love it.
You
Why
gotta
go
go check
Thailand
out.
and you don't know nothing?
Yes.
So it's good that you do.
And thank you, Spectrum, for sending me to eat over there. That was awesome. All right, we're gonna take a quick break. We'll be right back. You're watching Island Life Live.
My pet.
My
no
pet.
spicy.